what exactly creative means. Everyone has their own answers. Telling authentic stories requires talent and creativity. That's what's most important. But anyone who says that equipment is only secondary is also on the wrong path. Technology makes it easy for us to be creative, isn't it? Everyone can be content creator and follow their dreams and make their own ideas come to life. The interplay of creativity, skill, and high-quality gear makes stories come to life. However, the race for the best aerial shots is not getting easier nowadays. Complicated rules and ever-increasing amounts of tech gadgets overwhelm many. This is where the DJI Mini 3 Pro comes into play. A miniature drone that doesn't want to be one. Mini 3 Pro sports a completely new look that is optimized to get more out of every flight. For creators on the move, hassle-free use is key. The foldable and compact design also makes it easy to carry along with you, weighing less than 249 grams. Take your content to the next level with stunning 4K HDR video. With larger propellers, an aerodynamic body tilt, and a powerful obstacle sensing system, the streamlined design allows for increased flight time and safety. The reimagined gimbal offers a wider rotation range for low-angle shots, allowing endless creative opportunities. True vertical shooting gives you detailed shots, instantly ready for social media. Equipped with forward, backward, and downward dual vision sensors and an all-new aircraft design, it offers a broader sensing range and enhanced safety. Find creative ways to follow your subject with Active Track 4.0. Advanced Pilot Assistance Systems detects objects in the aircraft's flight path in real time. This allows DJI Mini 3 Pro to avoid obstacles, even in complicated environments. Simply select your subject, and Mini 3 Pro will execute a sequence of pro maneuvers, generating a short cinematic video afterward. Get closer to your subject with 4x digital zoom. Capture and explore more of your surroundings with an extended flight time of up to 34 minutes. Speed up time with just a few taps by creating a striking hyperlapse. Record video at 4K 60 frames per second, or slow things down as the world gets with 1080p 120fps slow motion video. The 1 divided by 1.3 inches CMOS sensor features dual native ISO. today's show, like the video, press the bell icon for upcoming video notifications, and enjoy next video of ours.